We're here in a kitchen in South Tampa. This home was flooded back in Milton last year, and the flood cut has been done. The drywall, the flooring, the cabinets have been installed. We're in the punch out stages, but I wanted to go over something that people have a lot of questions about. These questions are about FEMA and the FEMA form that needs to be filled out when you do any remodeling in a flood zone. This FEMA form based the number of dollars that you can spend on your remodeling project on a flooded house in a flood zone. It's based on an appraisal that's done to your house. It's called a retroactive appraisal. This appraisal places a value on the building and not the building and the land together. That appraisal needs to be at 50% above the amount of money that you're spending inside the house. So if your appraisal comes in, let's say at $400,000, then FEMA says you can spend $200,000 max finishing out the inside of your house. For more information on FEMA forms and remodeling in general, go to tampakitchenandbath.com.